It is very sad to see that in our schools and our universities, we are witnessing cases of depression, frustration, and it is more prevalence with the people who are taking drugs. They get into the place of suicide, and as you heard the other time, we were in a university where we were told that 55 had committed suicide. And it is very sad if, as a mother or a parent, you take your child to school or to the university and they come in a casket. And that is why we want to speak to them, to be able to inspire them and to encourage them and to give them hope and tell them there is a great future. And that's why I cannot relent. I will continue and try to talk to our boys, and especially the boys, because even in the suicide cases, we find most of them, about 80%, is still boys. Those ones who are also behind bars, you find again, 80% are on those defilement cases where they are in for a very long time. And I can tell you that their destiny are destroyed. And thinking of the inmates, like 58,000, those are 58 families, fathers and leaders who are behind there, the potential of a nation where we could be talking of economic drivers, but they are behind bars and they are not doing much. And families are suffering, there are women, children who are there. And of course, there are women who would have gotten boyfriends and gotten husbands, but they are behind bars. So we must get together. I mitigate the case of a boy child. It is that boy child, many of the times when we talk about gender-based violence, it cannot be by one person. You find that my boy children will be there. When we talk about teenage pregnancies, you find my boy children are there. And so if they were to go to school and they had to get into character, I am very sure my women and girl children will be okay. And there is enough advocate for the girls. But here I am saying we must now turn and bring the boy up so that we can have a balanced society.